What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today I'm going to be trading in my flames for frost. I'm going to help you guys transform into an icy bitch with our brand new icy bitch palette. We're just so excited about this. This is the palette you guys have been asking for, and finally it's here. I'm going to come in close so you guys can take a look. These were the shades you guys were begging for, and we finally did it. It's so much fun, and I can't wait for you guys to get this at home and try this yourself. We're going to start by taking that bright white shade Veronica, and we're going to apply that all over our lid and all the way up towards the brow. This is going to help give us a nice bright base. Now we're going to take the shade Heather and we're going to apply that all over our crease and right along our lower lash line. This is going to be a nice transition shade for us. Now we're going to take that bright peacock blue shade Becky and we're going to apply that all over our crease, softly up towards that shade Heather. We're also going to blend it tightly along our lower lash line. Now we're going to take that shimmery navy shade Aria and we're going to pack that on the outer corners of our eye, softly blending it up towards the crease, and don't forget to bring it right along the outer corner of your lower lash line. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key to get that nice soft ombre effect with all these blues. We're going to take the shade Cheryl and we're going to apply that to the inner corner of our lid just to give our eyes a nice bright and opened appearance with like an iced over effect. Notice how these shades are just blending together beautifully. This formula is amazing. I'm obsessed with this palette. It is just so much fun. Now for a finishing icy touch, we're going to take that highlighter shade Regina and we're going to pop that right into the inner corners of our eyes. I'm just going to top off this look with a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I love this mascara. It literally finds lashes you didn't even know you had. Alright, tartlets, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed transforming into an icy bitch with me. I just love this palette so much and I cannot wait for you guys to get it at home. You are going to love it as well. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any other looks or shades you want to see me use from this palette, and I will do a tutorial on it for you. Alright guys, until next time, mwah, stay cool, tartlets.